Okay, let's play a little imagination game. Right now, wherever you're sitting, imagine zooming out, past your room, past your city, past Earth itself. Now keep going, past the Moon, past Mars, past the Milky Way. The big question is, does this zoom out ever stop? Or does the universe just keep going? You won't believe what scientists have figured out about the true size of the universe, and honestly, it's both mind-blowing and terrifying. And hey, if you're into cool and surprising facts like this, don't forget to hit that like button. It helps way more than you think. Part A. The observable universe. So here's the deal. The universe is too big for us to measure directly. Like, you can't just grab a giant ruler and be like, yep, that'll be 93 billion light years, sir. Instead, scientists talk about something called the observable universe. Basically, everything light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang, about 13.8 billion years ago. But here's the crazy twist. Because the universe has been expanding the whole time, the stuff that emitted that light is now much farther away. That's why the observable universe isn't just 13.8 billion light years across. Nope, it's about 93 billion light years across. 93 billion light years. To give you an idea, if light itself, the fastest thing in existence, tried to cross it, it would take 93 billion years. That's like hitting the road for a drive and realizing your trip won't end until way after the heat death of the universe. Wild, right? Part B. Galaxies everywhere. Inside this observable bubble, scientists estimate there are 2 trillion galaxies. Not billion, trillion. That's 2 followed by 12 zeros. Our Milky Way alone has about 100 to 400 billion stars. Multiply that by 2 trillion galaxies and yep, you're looking at more stars than there are grains of sand on every beach on Earth. Next time you're at the beach, just pick up a handful of sand. That's maybe 10,000 grains. Now imagine every single grain is a star. Then imagine your handful multiplied by every beach on Earth. Still not enough. The universe says, cute math, but you're still short by a lot. Part C. Distances that hurt your brain. Let's put some distances into perspective. The closest star to us, Proxima Centauri, is 4.2 light-years away. If you traveled there on the fastest spacecraft humans have ever built, it would still take you about 75,000 years. That's like starting the journey when humans were painting caves and only arriving sometime after the year 77,000, and that's just the nearest star. Our own galaxy is 100,000 light-years across, and remember, we're talking about one galaxy out of trillions. It's like trying to walk across one city block when there are 2 trillion entire cities to get through. My legs hurt just thinking about it. Part D. The expansion problem. Here's where it gets even trippier. The universe isn't just big, it's getting bigger. Right now, galaxies are racing away from us in all directions. The farther away they are, the faster they go. Some galaxies are moving away so fast that their light will never reach us. They're basically disappearing from our cosmic horizon. Imagine you're standing on a balloon and it's being blown up. Every spot on that balloon is moving away from every other spot. Now imagine that balloon is the size of, well, the universe. Yeah, good luck holding on to that image. Part E. What lies beyond? Now the big question. Is the universe infinite? Some scientists think it might be. Infinite, as in, it just goes on forever with no edge, no border, no wall saying, that's it, show's over. Others think it could be finite, but unthinkably large, maybe curved back on itself like the surface of a sphere. Meaning, if you kept going in a straight line long enough, you'd eventually end up back where you started, which honestly feels like the universe trolling us with a cosmic version of you can't escape. Part F. Mind-bending analogies. Let me drop a fun analogy. If the observable universe were shrunk down to the size of Earth, then our entire solar system would be smaller than a single atom. Or here's another one. Imagine the whole universe is a giant library. Each galaxy is like one book. The Milky Way? Just a paperback on a random dusty shelf. And Earth? That's one sentence in that book. Humanity? We're like a typo in that sentence. Talk about humble pie. Part G. The unknown. And yet, despite all these insane numbers, here's the wildest part. We might only be scratching the surface. Dark energy, dark matter, parallel universes. These are the things scientists are still trying to figure out. It's like opening your front door, seeing an endless desert, and realizing, oh wait, that was just the sandbox. The real desert is still out there. So how big is the universe, really? The truth is, bigger than our brains can ever fully wrap around. Maybe infinite, maybe just ridiculously, absurdly huge. Either way, it makes you realize our little problems on Earth, They're tiny, and yet somehow in this cosmic ocean of stars and galaxies, you and I exist, watching a YouTube video together. And honestly, that's kind of beautiful. If you enjoyed this ride through the cosmos, you'll love what's coming next. So hit that subscribe, stick around, and let's explore more mysteries of the universe together. Until next time, keep looking up, and maybe bring a calculator. You'll need it.